The all-new Nissan LEAF breaks new ground in many ways, including one unexpected area: sound. The 2011 LEAF's innovative approaching Vehicle Sound for Pedestrians, or VSP system, is the result of a 4-year international study and collaboration with leading universities and institutes. In 2007, Nissan began real-world field research in response to growing government and consumer concern regarding quiet cars and visually impaired pedestrians. As the research progressed in Japan and the U.S., it became clear that the task was much more involved than just adding a sound effect or artificial engine noise to electric vehicles. In creating a new type of audio visibility for such vehicles, particularly at low speed, the challenge was to provide detectability and recognition for all pedestrians, including the visually impaired, older hearing impaired adults, and young children. The audio signals needed to be acceptable for neighborhood communities so as not to add to noise pollution, while at the same time offering a pleasant, non-intrusive sound for the vehicle's driver and passengers. Working with the Detroit Institute of Ophthalmology, Nissan refined the prototype LEAF VSP system utilizing feedback from members in real-life situations. Demonstrations with the National Federation of the Blind, one of the leading proponents for the adoption of VSP systems, further validated the research. Working in collaboration with acoustic psychology experts at the Vanderbilt University Medical Center and a well-known Hollywood-based motion picture sound design company, more than 100 potential sound designs were developed, from engine-like to futuristic. The sounds went through extensive detectability testing to identify the best candidates. Efforts also included consultation with the Western Pennsylvania School for Blind Children. And researchers are working with the University of Idaho on how sound can be optimized for children, studying children's unique challenges in dealing with distracting information when making decisions as pedestrians. The final LEAF VSP system, which includes distinctive signals for low-speed forward driving and reverse backing, provides a unique sound with a distinctive frequency signature. With quiet cabin performance, the VSP system is pleasing to driver and passengers. Yet it also offers good detectability for visually impaired and sighted pedestrians, as well as cyclists and others, along with low noise intrusion for neighboring communities. Like the LEAF itself, Nissan is committed to taking a leading role in relevant technologies for a new age of zero-emission driving.